Right, everyone watch out.
Hello guys, we're back today with the Doncaster dutc food review. We've got a special guest here today, Ketamine on Ketamine. So today we've got a great sausage roll to be trying. Let's have a gander. Let's have a bash. I'll tell you what, it's cold.
Fucking dry and horrible.
Not a great start.
Not a bag.
Right. Definitely about a 5 out of 10 there. Noodle. Right. So we've got a drink. So today we've got the Lucozade Alert original. Let's crack this open. Set me back a pound. It's quite nice, that. Quite nice. And today we've got a special bit of kit. We've got instant noodles. Like my friend Billy over here provided.
28p, boy, 28p.
I don't know how I'm going to open them. But the ramen is open. Propaganda. I tell you what, that's grim. Oh, we got a new gold bar provided by Jake. Thank you, mate. Propaganda.
It's quite nice.
Go on. Have we got? Come here, mate. Come here.
Right, ladies.
So we've got a new guest. He's gonna have a gander at our ramen.
Come on. Here you are.
What are we rating that out of 10? So I've just received another present. I've got a refresher and a Lucozade Sport.
Can I just rate?
I'd probably rate these a good 7.9 if I'm honest.
Oh, mate. So that's them done. Only cost 28p. Thank you, Billy. So let's have a gander on the refresher here. They were rock solid. I'll tell you what, I am refreshed. Let's have a gander on this. Quite nice. I don't feel sporty though. So I believe that's going to be all for today until later when we're in school. Gerard might not be on these videos in the morning anymore, so he'll only be on the ones in school. So I'll see you.